Hello everyone, today I have a product by Plum, the Plum E-Luminence Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. This one comes into a very cute box like this, the white and pink packaging. This complete range has a lot of different products, but this complete range is made for dry skin to combination to sensitive skin. Now this product is going to cost you 545 rupees and you get 90 grams of product. If you're not aware, Plum is a vegan and a cruelty-free brand, and this product in particular doesn't have any kind of sulfates, phthalates, silicones, and none of the ingredients are derived from animals. This is how the actual dabba of the cleansing balm looks like. All the basic details are mentioned behind the box, so you really don't have to keep the box. Now this dabba does come with a small spatula, which I don't have it at the moment, but yes, it comes with a spatula. Another thing about this product is that this product is going to last you for 2 years if it is kept like this, but once you open it, this product is going to last you only for 6 months. Let's open it and see how it looks like. This is how the cleansing balm comes. It has a very thick waxy nature. Once you apply this, it takes almost 4 to 5 massages with your hand to melt your makeup. Compared to Clinique Take the Day Off, Clinique Take the Day Off does it faster. But I would say compared to the price, I don't mind massaging my face 4 to 5 times. This one will make you feel heavy on the skin when you apply it and start massaging, because yes, it is made for dry skin. Keep that in mind. If you have huge pores, you may start feeling that it is heavy and your pores start to feel that they are clogged because the wax is on your face and you still feel the product. Once you remove the makeup, once you remove the wax from your face, you will see that you don't feel the same way. Like abhi 2 minutes pehle you were feeling that your pores are feeling clogged, and suddenly you don't feel anything and you feel much lighter because you just removed all that makeup with the cleansing balm. All in all, I really like the way this removes my makeup. It removes every bit of makeup you have on your face, and yes, you will feel initially heavy with the balm. All in all, best way made for dry skin combination to sensitive, but even an oily skin person can use this. If you don't have pores issue and you don't feel heavy on your pores when you apply certain products on your skin, then you can definitely go ahead with this balm. Invest in your money here. You will definitely see your makeup just coming off so easily, because the price point on this one is 545 and it is inexpensive. The only negative I see is that the amount of time you can keep it with you, it's 6 months. So if you have like 5 to 6 cleansing balms, then I will say keep an eye on this one, because aisa kya hoga ki you are using the others and you just forgot about this, and after 6 months you can't even use this. But I would say 6 months is pe likha hai, you can still use it for 9 months. You can just give that extra 3 months grace to yourself. All in all, a wonderful product by Plum, and yes, ड्राई स्किन पीपल के लिए तो ये बहुत ही वंडरफुल चीज़ है. अगर आपको लेनी है आप ले लो. यू विल डेफिनेटली लव दिस वन, बिकॉज दिस रियली लीव्स योर स्किन नॉन ड्राइंग आफ्टर यू आर डन विद रिमूविंग ऑल द मेकअप. That is something which I look in any kind of cleansing balm, and this does the job. All in all, fully approved, well made cleansing balm. Get it, grab it, easily available on Plum site as well as on Nykaa. So I hope you loved watching this small mini in-depth review on the Plum E-Luminence cleansing balm. I will be leaving down everything in my description if you want to grab one for yourself, but I absolutely loved it. I will be here soon with some more skincare, some more makeup. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @BronzingGeek. I will see you in my next one. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.